Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your G-Shock time. First, find the Adjust button, typically located on the top left side of your watch. Press and hold this button for a few seconds until the city code starts flashing on the display. This indicates you are in the time setting mode. Next, use the forward or reverse buttons, usually on the right side, to scroll through and select your desired home city. This step is crucial for accurate timekeeping. Once your city is set, press the Mode button to navigate through the various settings. You'll see options for daylight saving time, then the hour, minute, and second. Use the forward or reverse buttons to adjust each value precisely. After setting the time, continue pressing Mode to reach the date settings. Here, you can confirm and adjust the month, day, and year to ensure everything is correct. After setting the basic time and date, you'll encounter the Daylight Saving Time, or DST, setting. Toggle this on or off depending on your region's current status. Next, you can select your preferred time format, choosing between a 12-hour or 24-hour display. Make your selection using the adjustment buttons. Once all your settings are finalized, press the Adjust button one last time to exit the setup menu and save all the changes you've made. Now that you've completed the setup, take a moment to double-check all your settings. Ensure the time, date, and any other preferences are exactly as you intended. Regular maintenance, like checking the battery, helps keep your G-Shock running perfectly for years. And speaking of keeping things fresh, if your car could use a little pick-me-up, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. It's a simple way to make your daily drive more enjoyable. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.